Hello everyone. We're going to introduce you the new Hachi food feeder. This is our complex system device. This is the Arduino. This is the complicated device to provide the food when me or Lily is not at home. So we'll see. You just have to put the food inside, and that's all. And then you just need only once to program the device with a computer. In this first version we are using the computer. For example, now it's time 23:27. We are going to program to 28 seconds. Yep. It's important to notice that you don't need a computer just this time to program. So we have our dog at home, and you are not at home. The device was set up. You can record it. And in the right time, it will feed the dog, and Hachi will be very happy with the food and her toys while we are not at home. Thanks for watching, and please buy it.